So we are here at Test Track, and it is only 45 minutes right now. That's the best time I've seen for Test Track in 3 years. Hopefully I didn't just jinx it or anything. From what I understand, they're supposed to be redoing the inside of it here soon and completely refurbishing and redoing new scenes for it and all that good stuff. So here in a couple of years from now, it might look totally different on the inside too. It'd be cool to get the comparison.
Yeah, he looks like a little ladybug or something. He's so cute.
Kelsey, this one's like a little ladybug too.
Definitely gonna be just a GoPro shot because this thing goes super fast. So there's no way this other camera's gonna make it.
You're able to see all the glorious up-nose shots of us.
It would just be charged by AA batteries. It wouldn't use any gas, and it would be like a self-drive, so like you could take a nap while it was driving.
Yeah, so Kelsey and I, this is how long it's been since we've ridden this ride. Like I said, at least 3 years. We do not remember this part of the ride.
Yeah. In fact, I think when we rode this ride last time we were here, I think this section of the ride wasn't working. Like the queue line wasn't working, so they just had us cut straight through it.
All right, he's getting our card.
Which one? TV.
But let's go with that guy because we'll be. Oh!
Oh wow! It looks like a lounge chair car.
It does.
It looks awful.
But it goes so freaking fast. It's crazy.
No, I don't think that would go fast at all, actually.
Look at that.
All right, we got it.
Look at this beauty right here.
Yeah.
He's a beauty.
It looks like
you cannot tell me that you don't want to drive that on the streets.
It looks like maybe it could like be one of those boats that are in the Disney Springs Lake.
Dude, I'm so
excited. You could take it on the water.
Look at that boy. Look at him.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to OnStar.
SimCar performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SimCar off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SimCar for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being
Automated driving technology verified and active. avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Oh man, what a great ride.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing.